Welcome, my name's Hannah, and I'm here to show you how to use the Excel shortcut to Autofit Column Width. This video tutorial will walk you through the steps you need to take to make the most out of this useful feature. So let's get started. Auto-fitting column width is a simple yet effective way to ensure that all your data is visible without manually adjusting each column. Select the column or columns you want to auto-fit. You can do this by clicking on the column headers or by highlighting cells within the column. Press Alt, then H, then O, and finally I. Excel will automatically adjust the selected columns to fit the content perfectly. Bonus tip: using the mouse. If you prefer a quick manual method, double-click the right edge of the column header. Excel will auto-fit the column width based on the longest content in the column. Applying AutoFit to all columns. To apply AutoFit to all columns in your worksheet, select the entire sheet by pressing Ctrl and A. Then press Alt, H, O and I to auto-fit every column in one go. Auto-fitting column width is a great way to tidy up your spreadsheet and make it easier to read. Are you new here? We are delighted to have you join our online community. Subscribe now and become part of the Sheet Leveler family. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video. I look forward to our next meeting in my next video.